Today we are starting on the most important part of our outdoor kitchen, which is the kitchen itself. It's going to be over here. We've got a fridge that will be in this section. Then we'll have a long countertop along this wall where we'll have our sink and a gas cooker. Over here we've got our fireplace. We still need to finish up the chimney, and over here we're going to have our couches and coffee table. So let's get to work. The first thing we're doing is the countertops in the side. morning, it's another day working on our outdoor kitchen. We just wanted to give you a quick update what we've been busy with. We've been framing all the countertops and covering them, getting everything ready for tiling. Michael has been busy with the plumbing yesterday, and I think we need to finish that off today.
Yeah, so it's just been setting overnight, and now we're going to connect it to the main water system. So hopefully there's no leaks, and then hopefully it also works.
I also prepped the window yesterday so that we can get that ready for painting. We also figured out that our dishwasher fits perfectly here. We weren't too sure where it was going to go, but that's the perfect spot. It might need a little curtain from the sun. And we fit the fridge in, so everything's coming into place, and we can't wait to show you what the tiles look like. That'll be coming soon.
After this, we'll just continue with some framing and installing some shelves, just getting the whole surface prepped to install these tiles. Leaking.
Just had a small leak. I just fixed these pieces here, so let's see if it works. You can hear the water coming in. Seems all good. Leak is fixed. Time to test out the tap. Now the next leaks.
Today we finished off building this cute little pantry for our jars and extra storage in the back. We also made sure that all of the countertops are prepared so that we can start tiling, I think, tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you can see how that all turns out, and leave a comment to let us know your thoughts. We're happy with how the kitchen is turning out, but we still have quite a way to go.